In the heart of the battlefield, chaos erupts as Russian and Ukrainian forces clash in a brutal exchange of fire. The silence of the night is shattered by the thunder of machine guns and the echo of grenades exploding in the distance. Every second counts. Every move could mean survival or destruction. Ukrainian soldiers push forward with fearless determination, taking cover behind shattered walls and broken trenches. Russian troops answer back with heavy firepower, filling the air with smoke and fire. Grenades rip through the battlefield, shaking the ground beneath their feet. The camera captures the raw intensity, the dirt flying, the sparks of bullets hitting metal, and the cries of warriors locked in one of the fiercest fights of this war. As both sides unleash their fury, the world watches in shock. This is not just another battle. This is the front line of survival, where courage and fear collide. Stay tuned until the end. You won't believe what happens next in this relentless firefight between two unstoppable forces.